Hi all, this video session is to illustrate how to find out the correct version of JDK as well as how to install this JDK in your computer. As you all know, JDK means Java Development Kit, is mainly used to write as well as run Java programs in your system. And for developing Java programs, you need to download JDK setup from Oracle site to your computer system. So for downloading JDK from your Oracle site to your computer, you require a very good internet connection, because all these JDK files, depending upon any OS, is in the range of 150 MB. So you require a very good internet connection to download these files into your system. So first of all, what you have to do is to check whether your internet connection is working correct or not. Once you have checked that your internet connection is working correct, you can just go to your browser, click on your browser, and in the URL tab give Google URL. After getting into Google, please type JDK space 7, where 7 indicates the version, download. Please note the search keyword that has been given in the Google search box, because that will be helpful for you for downloading it again. Then press enter. You can see the first URL is the URL to download JDK from the Oracle website. Click on that URL. You will be loaded to another web page from Oracle. When you go down through this web page, you can see Java SE Development Kit 7U79, as well as when you go below again, you can see Java SE Development Kit 7U79 demos and samples download. We don't require these demos and samples downloads, because these are just programming samples that will give you an overview how these programs are run on your system. So we don't require this Java SE Development demos and samples. We don't require to download these things. Again, you need to go up and see Java SE Development Kit 7U79, which you have to download. And if you have noticed, there are two radio buttons. These two radio buttons, default case decline license agreement radio button will be clicked. So what we have to do is we have to click accept license agreement radio button. Once you have clicked the accept license button, then you can see a wide variety of OS listed down and the respective JDK files for these OS. If you are using Linux, it is shown here Linux, and it's also available for Mac, Solaris, as well as for Windows. So we'll consider, as I am operating on Windows OS, I'll be considering Windows. So Windows, there are two types of versions. One is x86 and the other is x64. x86 shows that the JDK file will run only in 32-bit Windows OS, and for x64 it will run in 64-bit Windows OS. For Windows 64-bit versions also, you can download the 32-bit installer file. It can also run in 64-bit OS. So once we will download Windows 86, that is the 32-bit JDK file. Click on the JDK file link. Wait for some time. You can see it's almost 138 MB and it's getting downloaded. In meanwhile, you can also go down and explore some more things in this web page. You can also see Java SE Development Kit 7U80. That is an upgrade from 7U79 which you have been downloading. You can download directly 7U80 also. Please avoid these demos and samples download, because actually I have told these are only sample programs and demos which shows you how to use this, how to run a program, and how the program will run. And you don't need Java FX also, only we need the open source JDK kit, that is Java SE Development Kit 7U79. If you are using a Windows 64-bit OS, you can also download this version. The same procedure applies. And if you are using Linux and Mac, you can download the respective versions from here also. Please don't forget to click the accept license agreement button. Only after clicking that button only you will be able to download these things. Otherwise these links will be inactive for you. Kindly note, please click the accept license agreement button before downloading. Then only these links will get active. Otherwise these links will be seen inactive. You will not be able to download Java files. Wait for the download to get completed. That's what I told you earlier, that you need a very good internet connection to download this. If the download stops in between, you have to re-download it again, the same 138 MB. Once downloaded, the installation is a very simple process. You can just give next, 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 and the default directory where it installs is the C drive. Wait until the download gets completed. Once Java is installed in your system, this JDK will ask for updates. You can update if your system isn't connected to net. Click on the downloads. Double click on the setup. This is the setup. It will ask to permission. It will ask your permission to run the program. Click yes. Give next. See, here you see this is the default directory where the Java gets installed. JDK, actually JDK gets installed. Again give next. You can see an empty status bar, but you will see the progress of the installation over here. Wait for some time. Now the product is getting installed in your computer. Give next. So this is nothing but JRE. JDK is for writing your Java program in your system, that you have to write. Now JRE is for running the same program which you have written. So just give next. So JDK is for developing and JRE is for running the same program. So you see a message, successfully installed Java SE Development Kit 7 update 79. So at this stage your installation has been completed. Just click close. Now you have installed JDK 7U79. For verifying this, you have to go to your control panel. Now I'll show you how to go to your control panel. Click on Start, where you can see control panel. Click on control panel. Now check whether your view by is in category, or if it is there in large icon or small icon, change this to category. Click on category, then the view changes. Once it is in the category, then go to programs. Then click programs and features. where you can see a lot of programs listed down. These are all the programs installed in your computer. Once coming down, check for the programs that starts with the letter J. You can see here Java 7 Update 79 and Java SE Development Kit 7 Update 79 has been installed. So your Java installation gets completed here.